have a shotgun over there, I'll just go. No, you don't. Fuck, watch out for an aid here. Dead. Right. Guys from the other side as well. The other side I got. Door here. There's a door, you have to close that door. Dead. What a fucking net. They're teammates, I reckon. Open that door, I think. Just wait. He's gonna peek it around the corner. Yeah.